company uses computer control to make sure that the machine functions exactly as intended. Each piece is marked into the computer, and the computer drives the machine to cut the piece exactly according to blueprints. What makes Roll Forming Company's machines so exceptional? Each and every component is built with precision and quality. The decoiler car is robust and strong. Roll Forming's flattening and straightening car levels the steel with extraordinary precision. It also moves the steel forward incrementally so that the final finished product is made exactly to length, and so that each hole that's punched in the steel is done exactly where it should be. The punching and shearing section of the roll forming machine punches the bulging holes in exact placement and according to exacting details. The shear cuts the steel cleanly, and it allows us to roll a piece of material that is exactly according to the blueprints. The heart and soul of the machine is the roll forming section itself. This section carefully shapes the steel into an exacting, precise profile. This profile was designed by Roll Forming Company in Korea. This machine is designed to carefully shape the steel over the course of these many rollers into a profile that fits exacting standards.